Areas related to circles.
I welcome all of you to this maths lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss some more example questions or some more exercise of the topic areas of combinations of plane figures. So this is the next question. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with the center O, and they are perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the small circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. That's a question. Picture is given here. So you take time, just pause the video and think how we can answer this problem. Okay, I hope you got the idea. So the different method, one method you may have thought, we can find the area of the circle. That is possible. We can find the radius, and we can find the area of the small circle, and also we can find the areas of these shaded segments. Okay, one segment's area is enough because these two segments have same equal area. So find the area of one segment, multiply by 2 and add with the area of this small circle. That's one method, that's fine. And there's one more method. I think that method is little more simple comparing with the first method. The method is you find the area of the circle, that's same. But to find the area of the segments, you don't have to use formula to find the area of the segment, but there's some other method to find the area of these shaded segments by subtraction method. So you look here, you find the area of the semicircle on the right side of the diameter AB of the large circle, and then subtract the area of triangle ABC from the semicircle's area. You will get the area of the shaded segments, right? The sum of the areas of these two segments, right? Then you add that value with the area of the circle, small circle, you will get the total area of the shaded region. Okay, I think we can do in this way. So first of all, we want to get the radius of the small circle, given that OA is equal to 7 centimeter. And it is said that AB and CD are perpendicular diameters and O is the center of the circle. So this OD will be same to AO, right? Because OD will be some other radius of the same circle. And at the same time, OD is the diameter of the small circle. So OD will be 7 and the radius of the small circle will be 7 by 2, right? 7 by 2 will be the radius of the circle because diameter is 7. So we can start with the area of the small circle. Area of small circle is equal to, we have the formula pi r square. Now substitute the value of r, we will get pi into r square, that is 7 by 2 all square. In the next step, you look here, pi into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 into 7 comes in the numerator. We want to multiply with the pi. So there is a chance. If we substitute 22 by 7, the approximate value of pi here, there is a chance to simplify the steps. We can cut 1 each 7 from the numerator and denominator so that the calculation will become a little more simple, as we have taken for the first problem we discussed today. So I substitute here 22 by 7. 7 by 2 all square I write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. I think some of the numbers we can cancel. So 1 7 from the numerator and denominator we can cancel. And 2 from denominator and 22 we can cancel. In 22 how many? 2? 11 times, right? So we got 11 into 7 is 77. So 77 by 2 cm square. That will be the area of the small circle. Now we want to get the area of the segments. So as I told before, it is enough to subtract the area of the triangle ABC from the area of the semicircle, right? So you can write here sum of the areas, you can write like so, sum of the areas of two segments is equal to, what will come? Area of the semicircle minus, you can write area of semicircle minus area of this triangle ABC will come, right? area of triangle ABC. So in the next step, you can substitute values. That is equal to area of the semicircle. That will be half into pi r square. So half into pi into r square is 7 square. We can write it 7 into 7 minus area of triangle ABC. Look here how we can take the area of triangle ABC. There are two methods. We know that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. That is, since AB is the diameter, the angle C will be 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC will be a right triangle. So taking the perpendicular sides as the base and height, we can find the area of the triangle. That's one method. But here, AC and BC we don't know. By trigonometric ratios, we can find out that's fine. But we have some other method here. Here we know the side AB and also the distance from the side AB to the opposite corner, that is OC, right? What will be the length of AB? That will be the diameter, 7 into 2, that will be 14. And the height from this side to the opposite vertex will be again some other radius, 7 centimeter. I think we can do in this method. That is area of triangle ABC is equal to, we can use the formula half BH, and here B, the base we can take as AB. So AB into the height you can take as OC. In the next step, you can substitute the values. So here you look, pi into 7 into 7. The multiples of 7 comes in the numerator. So though the value of pi is not given, if we substitute 22 by 7, we can simplify the steps. We can make the calculation a little more simple. So I substitute here 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 minus 1 by 2 into AB is 14 into OC is 7. Now we can cancel some of the numbers 7 and 7 from numerator and denominator, and 2 in 22 11 times, and in the right side 2 in 14 7 times. So what remains? 11 into 7 in the first term and 7 into 7 in the second term. I think better before multiplying we can take 7 common outside the bracket. So we'll get 7 into 11 minus 7. So 7 into 11 minus 7 will be 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. So 28 centimeter square. That will be the sum of the areas of these two segments. Now to get the required area, the total area of the shaded region, we need to add the area of the small circle with the sum of the areas of these two segments. So you can write required area is equal to 77 by 2 plus 28. I think we can write in decimal. 77 by 2 we all know 38.5 plus 28. Adding these two, you will get to 0.5, 8 plus 8, 6, 1 up, and 66.5 centimeter square. We have substituted the approximate value of pi, so you can write here approximate. Okay, so I repeat once again. So in the question, a figure is given with AB and CD as the diameter, a circle is drawn, and taking OD as the diameter, a small circle is drawn inside the large circle, and B and C are connected, and C and A are connected, and this small circle and these two segments are shaded. We want to find the total area of the shaded region. So how we calculated? So given that the radius of the large circle is equal to 7 centimeters, so the radius of the small circle will be 7 by 2. Using that, we can find the area of the small circle, and then to find the area of these shaded segments, there are different methods. Without using segments formula, by subtraction method, we can find the area of this semicircle first, then subtract the area of triangle ABC, we'll get the sum of the areas of these two segments. That's how we calculated here. We got 28 centimeter square. Then the required area, the final answer will be sum of these two areas. We added and we got 66.5 centimeter square.
I hope the answer is clear. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also share this video to your friends. In the next video, we will discuss some interesting questions in the same topic, areas of combinations of plane figures. So see you next time. Bye.